Hi guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 6. Today's we are going to discuss about the alerts and also the badges in Bootstrap file. Make sure we are working on the Bootstrap 5 because Bootstrap 4 is the older version and also the Bootstrap 3 and 2 are the legacy version of the Bootstrap family. So now as you can see, if we click on the documents, as you know, we have discussed about the components in our previous lectures. But for now, when you click on the components, just click on the alerts. So these are the alert sections. So how can you create your alert sections? Let's suppose if you are creating like a system, let's suppose if you are accessing a dashboard without login, then definitely you have to redirect with some alert. So in this case, as you can see, it's saying please log in with your credentials. So this is the alert. So this is a dynamic alert, but how can you create your static alert? Because since it's a Bootstrap 5 series, and let's start. So as you can see, we have just using the buttons here. So this is around. You have to keep all rows in your containers. Okay, fine. For now, I'm just saying this is the container, and now I'm saying this is the container, and you have to place your rows inside your container. So this is the row. Make sure if you are not familiar with the container and rows, don't worry about it, because we cover these sections like container, rows, columns in our later lectures, because this belongs to grid systems. So grid systems are very important. So for now, how can you create your alerts? I'm saying I have a div. First of all, I have a div. You just need few classes like alert. And now which one alert? Alert primary, because we have several alerts. Like as you can see, if I'm saying here, here is my alert for you. Okay, fine. Now open this in a browser. As you can see, it's saying here is my alert for you. And if why it's a long, because we have placed our content in 12 column. If we just forgot this one, I'm saying br to generate the row, space. Fine. Now fine. Now as you can see, it's saying this alert. If you use some other classes like info, as you can see, it's fine. If you use some other classes like danger, that means in the red color. If you use the success, that means success in green color. If you use some other kind of stuff like primary, so this is a primary color. So make sure if you open the documentation, so now as you can see, this is alert. That means you are using the built-in classes. So primary, so this is the primary, and this is the secondary, this is the success, this is the danger, this is the warning, and I think this is the info, and these are the new things, the light and dark. So this is the light and this is the dark. So these are the classes you have to use while creating your alert system. Make sure this is the alert system without the clothing tab. So what happens if you want to use the clothing section, first of all? And the second, let's suppose if you are using a link in your alert section, so how can you do that? Okay, now I'm saying that this is the link. I'm going to use a link here, and the class for this particular link is alert link. Alert link. And now I'm saying here is my link. So go to your code, refresh the page. So now as you can see, you have just used the link in your alert section. So let's suppose if you want to add some other kind of stuff, let's suppose detailed about this alert. So how can you do that? I'm saying that I am going to use the, so this is the alert section first of all, and now if I define, let's suppose h3 here, and I'm using the class for this heading. I'm saying alert heading. So this is for the alert heading. I'm saying alert heading here, and now I have to define the paragraphs. So for this paragraph, I'm saying that MB01. We'll discuss about this one. So don't worry about. I'm saying here is my text for you. Copy this text and paste this text. Fine. Go to your page, refresh the page. As you can see, now you have converted your alert with your heading and also with your text. And now let's suppose if you need the closing bar. So how can you do that? Similarly, so this is your section. You need to define, I'm saying another alert. I'm going to create another alert for this one. In this case, I'm saying we have to use some extra alert or some extra classes. I'm saying alert disable, fade, and also show. And now I'm saying role equals to alert, and here inside this one I'm saying that I have a button, and the class of this particular button is the button, and I'm saying close. And now some other attributes like data, PS, and also the dismiss. Here I'm saying alert, and also I'm saying Arial label. Here I'm saying close. That's it. Now I'm saying here is my text for you. Go to your page, refresh the page. As you can see, you have a close button. Just click on this one. As you can see, it's now fine. Refresh. If you just remove these two classes, then what happens? Just click on this one. As you can see, it's now vanishing directly. So if you need the fade out, just use this fade class to fade this one while closing. Fine. So in this way you can create your close bar with the alert. Now it's up to you, either you use manually each and every class, or if you think that you are going to use this one, what you need, just need to copy the code and paste your code in your project. That's it. You are ready to go. Okay, now as you can see, this is the dismissing, alert, dismissal, and here is a lot of documentations available. If you want to read, just go ahead and read this one. Let's suppose if you are going to use the JavaScript to close something, or for your alert sections, just use the query select. We'll discuss this one because this is the basic series, so that's why we are not going to discuss in this lecture. Okay, now we are just click on the badges. So now as you can see, these are the badges. So how can you create the badges? So I'm saying this is h2, and now in the h2 I'm saying here is my badge, and here span, and now I'm going to use the badge and bg, and this is for the color. I'm saying 1. Fine. Go to your section, and now as you can see, this is the badge. So where you use this one, let's suppose if you have a notification systems, you are creating or designing some kind of notification system where you can use this one. Or let's suppose if you want to highlight something, then definitely you have to use your badge. Okay, now let's suppose this is your notification. I'm saying this is button, and now in the button I'm saying this is for the button class, and type is button because we have to type of two types of button. For submitting the form we always use the submit. I'm saying this is my notification, this is my notifications, and here I'm going to use the badge, and the class is badge pg secondary, and I'm saying 80. Now go to your page, refresh the page. As you can see, this is fine. I'm going to comment the whole code so you can easily get your code. Let's suppose I'm saying, so this is button and this is primary, not for this one. So fine. So this is notifications, but where is the button? It's because you have to use this one. Fine. So that's why it was not working. Okay, now I'm going to uncomment this one once again. So this is your badges. This way you can use your badges. So similarly you have a lot of action options, like let's suppose if you want to define the background, what you just need to use the class with the primary color, secondary, success, danger, warning, and this is for the text dark. Okay, so this is the text dark. Okay, because these are the primary sections and the text is dark here. Okay, now let's copy, paste here to save our time, refresh the page. As you can see, right click, inspect element. Here, as you can see, this is the danger and the color for this one. So now as you can see, they are using the color, this one. That means you have the white color here. If you want to use the dark color, you have to use the text dark class to add the dark or to add the black color. So you can also use the pill badges. So let's suppose if you need the rounded badges, so badge, round, pills, background, primary, just use the this extra class, round pill. Let's suppose round pill, fresh. Don't worry, copy the entire code, and also I'm saying div class column 1, and now as you can see, this is the round card. So you don't need to perform the extra effort. Like if you are going to round this one, then how it possible? Then definitely you have to use the border radius 10 pixel. As you can see, it's now working fine. So why you have to use this extra class? So to save your time, because time is very important. So to save your time, you have to use the built-in classes. So these are the round pills. As you can see, use the rounded pill utility class to make badges more rounded with a large border radius. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.